What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today is the 15th day of our Clickbank Make Money Online Challenge, where we try to make money on Clickbank using 100% free traffic and starting from scratch. So today is officially half of the 30 days that we are going to try to make money on Clickbank using 100% free traffic. So from today we have only 15 days to try and make our first money in the next 15 days using 100% free traffic, and without having to spend any money at all. So what I'm going to be doing in this quick video, I'm just going to show you guys what has been going on inside the accounts, and I'm also going to show you what I've been doing on the different social media accounts to go and promote our affiliate offer that we started on the first day to make money on Clickbank using 100% free traffic and also starting from scratch. So that's it. So what we're going to do from here next, I'm just going to go to the dashboard and we're going to see if I actually made any money or if we are getting any traffic, and hopefully by the end of the remaining 15 days we are going to be able to make our first sale on Clickbank. So what I'm going to do from here is I'm just going to go to my dashboard. So let me click and go to the dashboard and let's see what has been happening in our accounts. So you see from here we have not made any money, and I'm showing you guys realistically what to go and expect when you're starting to promote affiliate offers on Clickbank using 100% free traffic and also starting from scratch. It is very possible to make a lot of money, but you're also going to take time to make that money. It's not going to be very easy if you're starting from scratch without spending any money. That's why I'm showing you guys that it's actually possible, and also we are starting from scratch and I'm trying to actually make money in this 30 days challenge right here using 100% free traffic. So the first thing we're going to do from here is we're going to go to our reporting and let's see if we have been getting traffic, because the main goal right now is to get as much traffic as possible, because if we are getting traffic, it's just a matter of time for us to make sales. That's why I show you guys how to go and create the social media accounts on Pinterest, TikTok, etc, so that you can go and get started and start getting traffic to your affiliate offers and be able to make money using 100% free traffic using those social media accounts. So you can see from here that yesterday, January 29, you see that we got up to 19 clicks. So this is a very good improvement because we started from 0 and now we are getting up to 19 clicks a day. So you can see right here, it's just a matter of time for us to actually make our first money. So let's go right here to today and let's see how much clicks we have gotten today right here. So let's wait for this load. I can see from here that right now we are already getting we have gotten only 2 clicks already from our link. So this one is Clickbank University, so this is a different product. So you can see that to our product right now we have already gotten 2 clicks, and by the end of today we are going to get a lot more clicks than 2. So by the end of the day I'm going to expect us to get at least 10 or more clicks, or going to 20 clicks by the end of today. So right now you can see we have gotten already 2 clicks, and that is the reality of using free traffic. Some days you're going to get less clicks, some days you're going to get more clicks because you're not paying any money for this, and some days you're going to make sales, some days you're not going to make sales. So let me just show you guys what I've been doing in the social media accounts to go and post. So let me go right here. Let me go, for example, to the TikTok accounts. So you can see on the TikTok accounts I've been posting different videos. I've been trying different styles of videos, and you can see from here some of the videos are getting traffic and some are not getting traffic. You can see, for example, some of this right here, you can see it's not getting any views, but you can see some of this one right here that I started posting today. You can see it's gotten up to 500 views on this one, and you can see this one has up to almost 2,000 views, and that's why I know that by the end of today we are going to get a lot more clicks, because these videos right here are still getting views. So by the end of the day, many of these people are going to click and go back to our affiliate offer because I'm putting our call to action in all of these posts. So let me show you guys an example. So you can see from here, okay, right here, you can see right here, click on check out the link in our bio to get our weight loss recipe. So I make sure to go and put our call to action in all of these videos right here. So you can see our call to action right here, so anybody can watch these videos and they can go to our bio and click and go to our affiliate offer, and this is our link, and you can see this is our TikTok landing page. So if I click on this, you're going to see it's going to take people straight back to our affiliate offer. And all these videos from here, these are videos that I don't have to go and create myself, so I just find videos on TikTok and I also repost these videos right here and try to promote our affiliate offer. So let me show you guys the other side of things. So let me show you guys, for example, on the Pinterest. So this is our first Pinterest account. As you can see from here, this is our second Pinterest account. As you can see from here, I'm still posting contents right here. For example, weight loss, for example, before and after, weight loss workout videos, and we are still getting views from here. So let me show you guys the second one from here. These are the other accounts that we just created, and you can see if you go to the accounts, you can see that we are still posting I'm still posting a lot of content right here on this account promoting our offer. And let me show you guys the third account right here. You can see right here where I'm still posting content. You can go and verify this. I'm still posting content and we're still getting views from these different accounts. So right now we have 4 active Pinterest accounts and also 2 active Instagram accounts and also 1 active TikTok account. So all of these different accounts are sending traffic to our affiliate offer, and as we are posting consistently every single day, the views and the clicks are coming in, and by the end of the day we are going to see that we are going to be getting up to 20 plus clicks, 30 plus clicks per day, because our social media accounts have been growing and we have been getting free traffic from those different social media accounts. So you can see this is our first Pinterest accounts. From here you can see right here we're getting a lot of impressions. So let me reload this one. So you can see that as you are posting every single day, the impressions are increasing and the clicks are also increasing right here. So on this account, you can see right here we're already getting up to 500 impressions, and I'm going to be posting every single day different workout videos, weight loss inspiration videos, and all different type of videos to try and go viral on this particular account right here. So you can see these accounts right here. I can see it's posting different styles of video right here to try and get traffic to our affiliate offer. So you can see this one right here just posted some few minutes ago. I can see that it's already started getting impressions. You can see right here right now it's just at 1 impression, but by the end of the day you're going to see that it's going to get, for example, 20 plus 50 plus impressions, and if it goes viral we're going to get a lot of clicks from this particular post right here. So that's guys, so let me show you guys the Pinterest side of things, the Instagram side of things. So you can see these are Instagram accounts from here, and you can see from here this is our second Instagram account, and you can see I'm still posting different contents from here, and I'm also posting stories. Go open the stories, you're going to see I'm still posting stories as well with links back to my affiliate offer. Let me show you guys the second one from here. So you can see this is a second account from here. As you can see, I'm still posting content as well, and we're still getting views, and we're also getting clicks already from these different Instagram accounts from here. So I'm doing a lot of remixes, and I'm also doing a lot of trying different style of content. I'm posting, for example, funny content and different styles of content to go and see what is going to go viral. And you can see some of them are getting, for example, low views, and you can see some of them are getting up to, for example, you can see this one up to 200 views. So what I'm going to do next is that I'm just going to be posting consistently until the end of this next 15 days, and hopefully by the end of this next 15 days we are going to be able to make our first sale using 100% free traffic and also starting from scratch. And what I recommend that you do is that you can also go and do this and start creating your own social media accounts so that you can go and drive massive free traffic to your affiliate offers and also make money, as I'm showing you guys in this challenge. Hopefully by the end of these 15 days we are going to be able to make our first sale using 100% free traffic. So that's it guys. So I just wanted to update you guys on what has been going on inside the accounts, so they can get a better understanding of what have been going on inside the different social media accounts and also in our Clickbank account. So that's it guys. I'm going to post another update tomorrow, and I'm also going to be creating a lot more other Pinterest accounts and post a lot more content so you can go and get much traffic as soon as possible. So that's it guys. Take action as well and create your own social media accounts and start posting consistently. And that's it. I'm going to see you in the next video.